Hello YouTube, welcome back from my stoop. My stoop today being in a plantation. Pity I haven't got Cornell and Deal plantation blend left anymore, but in a plantation close to a waterfall, and I'll take you there now, just now, but it's too loud there, you won't be able to hear me. So yeah, I'm just on a drive here today after I was at the congregation with a meeting, and well, showing you a beautiful waterfall after the mini rain that we had, and enjoying my Savinelli with some blend of my own Westminster and Balkan and Old Dublin. It's fairly nice. Actually very nice. Lately I'm trying everything I can to improve my skills. Oh, and my first tamper made from ashwood. Most of you know about the Mindful pipe, and he's making pipes from ashwood. So he sent me a few blocks, and I decided to make an ashwood tamper. So yeah, there will be a few to follow. I'll put it on my website, but it's a very light wood, light in terms of color, and I kind of like it. So yeah, thank you Johan from Mindful Pipe for a few pieces of ashwood from which I can make a few pieces of tampers. Just some feedback. My CCMA case is postponed again. Luckily, or it is said the last time, so hopefully I will be finished with this chapter of my life by middle May. But apart from that, you know what I've realized in this time? Is that we are very impatient, actually. Because I wanted to finish this thing off quickly and get over and done with and everything. But I was not ready. Looking back at the past year and a half, I realized that I have grown so much in my understanding of a lot of things since this happened. And I've come to realize that, you know, sometimes we do need these desert experiences. And come to think of it, Abram had a desert experience, Moses, David was fleeing from Saul, Paul, Jesus himself. So yeah, it looks to me that these desert times of our lives are there to correct thinking processes that might not be correct, or it just gives us time to, you know, to reconsider a lot of things which might have gone wrong over time, attitudes, way of thinking, and yeah. So just in short, I've learned the past. I understand now, or I won't fully understand anything ever, but I'm a much better person now than I were a year ago. in terms of thinking processes around a lot of things. And although it was very frustrating, and although I had anger and all those emotions, I now understand that now is a better time for me to have this than the previous one. So yeah, so that's what I wanted to share with you. I'm in the way of other people, so I'm just going to quickly pause the video. But I'm also going to re-tape at the waterfall so that you can get an experience of the waterfall. So yeah, and then I'm going to quickly also tell you something about something else. But I'm going to pause now, and I'll see you in a minute. Right, so I'm back. And I'm closer to the waterfall, so I'll have to yell. But this is so tranquil and nice that I thought it might just be nice to be here. And as you can see, it is hot and very humid. Yeah, the other thing that I wanted to share with you was I spoke to you about the extra congregation that I inherited. But again, it shows you how things work out, you know. There's a group of people in the town where I help out the congregation who can't afford a minister, and has had 2 ministers visiting them in a year. And my heart just went out to them, and I just felt I'm there. I'm about 3 kilometers from them on a Sunday. I don't have to charge them to go there also and do a sermon, because they're very, very poor congregation, and they were so happy to accept me or my offer. Yeah, and I was just thinking, you know, people, maybe I shouldn't say this, but I don't have to generalize, but it's so easy to, you know, to not do something because there's no money, or you don't have time, or something like that. But here's a group of people longing for a proper sermon and a proper word, and I'm there every Sunday, you know. Yeah. So to cut the story short, I have now 2 congregations. We're working to streamline the things, but it's actually very, very satisfying. It's very I enjoy it. Yeah, so that's what I wanted to share with you. I hope to give you a short video of that congregation one day. So this is the waterfall that I would like to share with you today, and yeah, just my thoughts about the process and how I have actually learned and changed my attitudes and way of thinking about a lot of things, which is good. You know, we need these things. We need these desert times in our lives from time to time. So I'm going to greet you, because otherwise it's going to be much louder, but I'm going to walk through this little river, and then I'm going to show you the waterfall, I hope you can still see. Yeah, it looks like it. So and I'll share and by the way, it comes down here and then down there again. Luckily I've got a 4x4, so I could get in here. Looks like there's a swing of a sort. Right. And then okay, so YouTube, thank you for watching, and I will see you soon from my stoep, and enjoy your day, enjoy your smoking. Whoa! It's almost a fail video. It is a fail video. So let me do it properly. Okay YouTube, thank you for watching, and it's definitely a fail. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the video, and leave your comments, and yeah, subscribe if you like, comment, and I'll see you soon from my stuff. Thank you, bye bye.